Most business owners are now using automation, but very few know how to use it to actually grow their business, how to collect leads on autopilot, close more sales, and streamline customer support. But when you know how to do this right, you can leverage automation across social media, your website, text messaging, anywhere your business connects with customers. The good news is a lot simpler than you think. If you want to use automation not just to save time, but to generate real, tangible results, we're offering a 14-day free trial of Automating Sales Hub. Plus, for a limited time, a 30-day leads challenge where we walk you through step by step how to get unlimited organic leads 24/7. My name is Dusty, and at Automated Sales Hub, we help businesses turn automation into a leads generation powerhouse. If you know automation can help your business, then there's no reason not to start today. Click below to get your free trial and join the Leads Challenge. We'll see you inside.